Severe thunderstorm! No way!
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Harrison County in southern Mississippi, northwestern Jackson County in southern Mississippi, until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
First time ever, holy crap.
42 a.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Lyman, or 8 miles north of Gulfport, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Oh, it's on TV.
Locations impacted include Gulfport, Biloxi, St. Martin, Iberville, Saucy A, Latimer, Gulf Hills, Van Cleve, Lyman, and Hickory Hills. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 36 and 61. Interstate 110 in Mississippi between mile markers 3 and 4. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county.
Oh, there it is.
Mississippi. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
Well, there it is. This came out of nowhere. A few miles away from me. First ever catch in Mobile.